footage.
Uh-oh. Oh. Hello guys, lad that needs a haircut boy here. We are at Marshmills in Plymouth for another car meet. So let's go and film some arrivals. Let's go. There we go, look. R34 mental. Whoa, look at that. Right?
Your footage
Uh-oh.
is what's getting us down here, mate. Because you're encouraging this.
Right, okay.
So we try and leave your load down here as much as we can.
Yeah.
But when stuff like your last one goes up,
Yeah.
we can't leave that. But the problem is, if you put it
Yeah,
kind of glorify it.
If I had more designated car parks for it, it'd be so much
But
better.
no one will take the risk on that, mate, because their insurance won't cover it.
If I had a bit of land, mate, I'll be doing it for them.
Well, then that's on you.
You know what I mean? Yeah, that's fine.
That's on you. But
I'm just saying, like, if there was more places for people to show their cars off, that people were like,
I get that, and we've tried to facilitate it, but there is no one that will take the risk on it. The only way you can do it is to go to something like Hereford that can drift and do it properly, but that costs a lot of money for them to put it on because it comes under like British Motorsport.
yeah.
And so there are certain things that they have to do to get that on. Because at the end of the day, motorsport is dangerous.
Yeah.
And when it does go wrong, I would far rather be at home tonight and sitting here babysitting.
You would have watched Strictly, really.
I really don't want to be babysitting around
that's fair enough,
on a Saturday night. But no, like at the end of the day, we're quite happy for people to be here because it's a good place. But if it gets out of hand, we will have no choice but to say no, enough's enough.
Yeah, no one wants that.
And we'll shut it down. But like I say, we don't want to be doing that. The end plays more aggro for us. So, yeah, tonight I should babysit the roundabout.
Ate a little bit of that. Look at this Ford Escort, mental. Really do like that. And if you look closer as well, it's got a hint of what it might do. It says Mexico. Oh, there they go. Look at that. That is low. And you just see there as well, purple neons inside the car as well. That is a pretty swish motor. So the Land Rover's just covered all these nice people in complete diesel. Literally. Here we go, MX-5, it's low, and look at the purple neons. We need to see more neons at these meets. The M140s are down there, doing that. Oh yeah. Just a wee bit now. Yeah, the bikes are in none of that. It's their turn now. Okay, so BW's kicking off. look at the colour on the 86. That is nice. Well, hey, go on. He knows where he's ending up. He knows he's ending up on the tube. We've got a war zone somewhere over there. Kids are egging him on. I wouldn't, because the police are at the entrance. Oh, burnout. Oh, go on. Oh, peer pressure. I've got to say, I do love the livery on that. That does look pretty swish, and he's got the matching brake calipers as well. Oh, the back of his car's so dirty, he needs to use code MOTOR15, but KleanKut Detailing. Well, hey, there you go. Loving the content right there. Guys, if you are looking to get your car looking absolutely shiny and gleaming, ready for the show season, go no further and look no further than KleanKut Detailing. I've got a link to their website down below in the description, and also as well, I can save you 15% off when you use code MOTOR15. Okay guys, so we're at the exit, and we're obviously, we're going to film the exits going, so here we go. Oh yes. Oh. Hey! Yes! Zoom in. Oh yes, Max Power Corsa. We love them. We need more of them cars coming to the meets. Look at that. Lovely that is. Lad is brave. This drone guy, look. Just a smidge over his head. Hi, drone guy. Hi. He don't like being on camera, I don't think.
No, I don't.
It's got swish indicators. Love that. Here we go. RB26 swapped MX5. Oh, yes. And then he thinks, oh no, because the police are there. You beauty. Alright, okay. The loudest panda. Oh, PS13, beautiful. Well, hey, you sir, you are brave. Is you going on holiday? She really wants to be captured. Yeah, I love that. We've got I-30N fastback, lovely. Oh look, it's the R-Race. Oh no, it's not. Oh, turbo. Oh yes, love the sound of that. Beautiful. Look at the colour flip on that. That is, I love that. Ooh, turbo. Oh, the Evo. Yes. That is beautiful. What a beautiful machine. Absolutely love that. Oh, not too loud now, Trico. Ah! Late arrival with the neons. Is he going to get done? Is he? No, he's not. Oh, the sound of that. Check out the red lights on this too. Beautiful machine. Oh, what's going on over there?
You say when you're ready.
Sorry, Owen, sorry. Go!
So with all vehicles you can't show the red light to the front and the white light to the rear, and you can't fit a light that is capable of flashing. So if the light's capable of flashing, you can't have that. There was a couple in there with flashing headlights and that, and that you can't have.
It shows on the floor.
So all your neon stuff has to be an indirect light. You can't see any of the bulbs. So if you think of it like a number plate bulb, so that's an indirect light, so it shines down. You can't actually see the bulb itself when you're looking at the back of the car. So that's the white light that you can have. Yeah. Other than that, you can't have the white light on the back of the vehicle. Does that make sense?
I just
Yeah, but if you can see the bulb, that's your problem. So it has to be an indirect light. So with underglow's fitted on the underneath of the car, so that you can't see bulbs. It's the glow part of the underglow.
I don't always want to, I just see a lot of
The problem is it's very complicated. It's the same with any construction use or vehicle lighting regs. It's very complicated because it's designed from when the cars are designed in the factory. And they have to meet certain things to get type approval. So what you can't do is then just buy one of these and then just fit whatever you want to, because everything that you fit to it still has to meet the construction use of vehicle lighting regs. So it's not going to come out of the factory with fairy lights all over it, is it? And that's why. It's a complicated world. Construction use legislation was written in 1986. So, when people say, oh, these new rules, it's new at all. They've always been there. It's very rare that it gets changed.
Oh, let down. He's a let down. He revved it. He's not sending it. Oh, he is. And there we go, guys. That is the end of another Plymouth car meet here at Marsh Mills. It was pretty calm, but I think we all know why it's calm. Yes, Owen, I know you're watching. Hi, make sure to hit that like button. So guys, if you like content like this and you see other car related content, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to yeet the subscribe button also and the bell notification to be notified of future content. So I've been Luke, this has been another Plymouth car meet, and we will see you guys at the next one. Goodbye.
Thank you guys for watching Motor Media. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.